In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to your GoDaddy website builder. Whether you're starting fresh with your very first blog or expanding on a website you've been developing for a while, these steps will guide you seamlessly through the process. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will redirect you to a login page where you can enter your credentials. It's important to make sure you have access to the account that's linked with your website. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your products page. Here, you'll see a list of all your websites and services associated with your account. Find the website where you want to add your blog. Click on that website to open up your website management options. With your website dashboard open, you'll want to select the Edit Website option. This is the gateway to modifying your site's layout and content. Now, look for the Add section button. This wonderful feature allows you to seamlessly integrate various components, including a blog, directly into your site. When you click on Add section, a new menu will appear. You're going to want to use the search bar here and type in blogs. This will filter the options and bring up the blog sections available for you to add. Depending on the section designs that meet your aesthetic or functional requirements, you can explore different layout variations. Once you've found a layout that fits your style preferences, simply click on Add. This integrates the blog section into your website design, making it visible to your audience. With your blog section added, you have the freedom to customize it to fit your brand. At this point, consider adding headers, footers, or widgets that will enhance the reader's experience. Write a compelling introduction post or dive straight into the content of your first blog. Tailor the look of your blog entries to reflect the theme of your website, ensuring consistency and professionalism. Keep in mind, clear and engaging writing is essential to attract and retain your audience. Before going live, you have the opportunity to preview your site. This is a crucial step as it allows you to catch any last-minute errors or adjustments needed. Walk through your blog post as a visitor would. If everything looks perfect, return to your dashboard and hit that publish button. Now your blog is part of your online presence and ready to be shared with the world. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blogging.